Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So, if you did not see Tuesday's video, I got some new, I almost said sunflower, snowflake molds. They make the most beautiful tea light holders. And so on Tuesday's video, I used a bunch of glitter. I did mention in my intro for Tuesday's video, words are hard, that I wanted to add maybe a drop or two of alcohol ink, and then I totally forgot. But I do plan to drop alcohol ink in these. So this is the other set. It came with two sets of two, so 4 molds, and all of them are different, which I was very, very happy to find out once I opened them. I didn't even look. I just thought they were very pretty and snatched them up. So we're going to try a Petri dish pour in these. I don't know how it's going to look. I don't know if it's going to work. All I know is that I want to try it. So, that being said, I love blue snowflakes and silver and white snowflakes, obviously. So, I pulled out some of my alcohol inks. These are very, very old, by the way. This one is empty, I'm pretty sure. It is. And I'm very, very sad about that, because this was my favorite, obviously, because it's empty. This was peacock blue, so we'll put that over there. I've also pulled out sapphire blue, and this is navy blue. And so I'm going to do some blues in there. And then for the white, I've got my Pinata Blanco Blanco. And I've got it decanted into one of these little needle nose bottles. I've got, I had ordered a whole new set off of Amazon, and I like it because it came with, number one, it came with 5 bottles, but it also came with a ton of new needles, and I needed a new needle for this because the one that I had was clogged, and so nothing would come out, and I was just too lazy to try and clean it out with alcohol, so I was like, let me just get a whole new set. And I needed a whole new set for another Christmas project that's coming up on my channel, so definitely stay tuned for that. Anyway, I'm really excited to see how this goes, so stick around with me. And yeah, super simple and easy Petri dish pour, guys. Let's get to it. Alright, friends. They're cured. I'm very excited to see what these look like. I only did 2 layers of alcohol and white, so I'm hoping that I did get at least a little bit of the Petri dish pour effect. So yeah, I'm just really excited. And I'm demolding these after I demolded Tuesdays, so I still have not gotten my white candles from upstairs, but they will be there for the glamour shots. Oh, cool. So yes, I did get some Petri dish effect. I can get my camera to focus. Thank you. Yeah, that's super pretty. I would have liked just a smidge more. Maybe if I had gone back and done a 3rd drop with the alcohol ink. But I think they're very, very pretty. These molds are great. I'm not feeling like I'm tearing them when I'm just kind of ripping them out. So that's good. Ooh, this one's cool. It's got a little bit more of the little fiddly bits. Yeah, this is so pretty. I'm really sad that I ran out of my Peacock Blue. That's my favorite blue alcohol ink. And I've used it so much over the years that it's gone. So I only had 2 to use this time, which was a royal blue, and then I think it's just blue. Royal blue and blue. So, yeah, these are really pretty. Again, if you didn't see Tuesday's video, I have a whole case of white candles upstairs that I forgot to bring down. So here's the red ones. Yeah, I don't like the red in these either. So I'm going to run upstairs and grab some white candles for this instead, for the glamour shots. But yeah, that is today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.